it is a woo or not a woo render health service. That's a woo need license. Nya hisa for ye can say ye nim ya AKOSUA facility hono. Ye nim say who the right professionals are only omu ye juma. Ye nim whether who the right equipment are only ye juma. Whether equipment can it mean measure near my ye. Who lab ye nim say equipment are only lab test ema accurate results. Ye nim so you do right procedures. They have protocols and also will follow the whole render health service. Facilities you on my uniform crampo or my nursing share or she sit down on the number. Hey, that facility be near. We also a health facility. The facility near license there. You have protocols that also will follow, and we ensure that internet is here. Yeah, buy say. So we need license. Yeah, my own pretty because. Yeah, my own fat nipa enkwa embo chachabiu. Yaba enkwa eba kope. Yam pinimo bia fa obi nkwa embo chacha. Enti who need license you see about two facility no me my own ejuma.
Mame asamba ko a manfo bebre ebusa ansana meba nia exercise amoye e wa Ashanti region no. Amanfo obusa se da ben na mo ba ye ena adan na matena hwa besi nne ansana moye exercise.
Oh, me pacho. Say yatna hosana afina ye exercise neda. Ye engage facilities no. We have engaged them several times. We have offices. Now offices na ye wono ye engage facilities no. So ube nti usha ebi mu ho ma license omonya pain. But just say ISPA. It will be a for like 6 years or renewing the license here. Because we came into existence in 2011. Law na every year by and the Health Institutions and Facilities Act 2011 Act 829. We have been in existence since 2011. Some of the facilities they are more license, but we must hear why more license no more for that. So near was no. If you do more license ISPA and then they are operating below the minimum, below the standards like they are mom. Obisu on CB product or not your banner to because anything at now. But we engage them. You see, we don't take pleasure in closing down facilities. We give you a long rope. Obisu on my inspection. You won't say, oh, meeting standard near. If you catch your sense, you won't meet standard near, you know. Yeah, for that, near my way to my bra as a best name or license, but like on yeah, meanwhile he's still operating. It's because we are giving you a long group of license, so you are not doing what we have asked to do. You have a two. It's the ISL way, and Muslims, your family, their name, and conform. Again, this is not the first time we are closing the facility.
And then come baby say we need the first time as I buy a public ana.
And you say you are too being for that when he was operating below standard, you are too I'm doing an interview. You are too antenna way. You know, we've done this activity with the media before, but maybe this is the first time. As I say, I know, to tax force like your barrage where you are tax force. When you say you pay no just one state. There be if you free region, and I say another region, task force now you have to see them up or hand them. They will continue their activity because you see they are told say it looks like people are taking the laws for granted. It's here we are coming with full force. We have given them a long rope. We have bought the road. But if people still continue, as I say, or more license, nobody, but on the age, my dear, you say, Ghana phone, yeah, I'm a move from what chacha, yeah, the king, yeah, my own age, man. Because if you are doing the right thing now, I don't see what stops you from coming for a license. So if you have refused to come for the license, there, not just a big touch my own, it's here by a truth.
Earlier no you mentioned say binumu home pa omode no clinic na so I to say dental for you have a dental center dental agent hwan how do you identify all of them?
Oh, so fast most of the time no for there whistle blowers people tell us say we be wa corner be wa hanu we sha corner be wa ha we sha yes you were inspectors or like you were a staffer. Yeah, sign them for that. They go around all the corners to fish out facilities. And I will move to you disguise a man for to go into facilities as patients. If you are more no or like near AKOSUA or no, or we about facilities or yari or the good doctor. And yes, or staff of head yasmano or the head whether who are licensed. The who are licensed on poor or the head say, are you doing what we license you to do? Well, your license will as a clinic, but we see doctor and you there be we are clinical at every point in time, 24/7. There should always be a doctor. If you say a man will be back under the guise of a patient, not doctor and then you don't say you are operating below your standard. If you revoke your license, no. So we don't only close that, we actually revoke licenses as well.
Okay. After Yanja exercise, Samoya or Ashanti region, say, you know, over 200 facilities are almost a drew baby or some more closely on down. And now, when you know, near more closely on down, a binumi or more revoke your license, cake, and for my ababe 20 years or more years now, if you want to license, I'm more back. Send a variations, Nettie.
Where more year or more, identify or more. They be more why I be inspection. But inspection, I more recommendations are they have not implemented those recommendations and our modern so pretty. If you know money are close to them down. But being so license now, their man na ISPA on the renew year or also identify or months better or months. Obi let's say registration to our here at the license meeting into no say better. If those are the infractions that
Mimi who Bakubi Waha Rush Bill IK must say closed by HEFRA in violation of Part 1, Section 11 of Health Institutions and Facility Act 2011 Act 829. Or no any problem pan saying sa violation no etie for person mu hu o Facebook ni nyina so o mo hwe no
only license only license ni full no so only license
no fache mi o why adwuma no be say how long ni
and they actually quite to the book say na me we are still on the field. If you give me the books and I memorize information.
Mwajuma yemune facilities are omo ebini license ebi so violate omo regulations na munyina na be corporate e wo exercise mu no se obi wo akire na opese obi health facility na oba mwakachi a enhyehyɛ ne tesen
opese obi facility a call your website www.hefra.gov.gh. Ubo your requirements meaning our honor. Ubo your numbers and so honor. It's your office to Kumasi Edu opposite Poku Trading. You can also work there and then we take it out from there. Your requirements are anything. We just want to operate within standards.
Na mami ansana me come nim baako no. One monso a operate over the counter for no ne over the counter ho na no na wo panie there be udnim ko fasa na report yo mo kire hefa e wo so mo wo panie report yo mo ye ba ba tu because
yenya bro papa modi amafo facility so modi amafo enkwa ebo chacha achepa tete ye ntiase if you na brain to wouldn't say wo pretty health facility now we need license to anamone ba hefa office see na beye near e was away na yen take you through the process na me register on the way on the inspection team are to standby a specialist as I it's in standby inspection team wo hono uba na your ma requirement be bia you ba ko ye inspection na your ma wo license na wo operate but one back as a young kasa ya ba wo hono no dia ya ba is a different story altogether. And you know bra no ye say yeah but we are find it out if we are calling on them wouldn't pass any wo ye no embrace so the right thing. You have the professionals, you have the equipment, you are following the process and one dia what to anamone bra because say the special ba won change dia e honum ne dia is a different story. Yeah, but I say it is license or nothing. Yeah, but you with stories, you with explanation. Show me your license. Without license, yeah, too man no.
Mommy, baby, me busa masem etwa to ye hwa biom na mekoso agina. Se obi eyusu e wo pharmacy na over the counter. Bia pharmacy council amane nkrata a kyerɛ sɛ mpo betimi abie over the counter no. Na emom se owo paneye anaye sa consultation ne sa niema ne bi no e wo pharmacy ho no de a eno de ye moma sɛ de ye wo hu.
Yes, it's within the way of purview of HEFRA. If you know licensing way no pharmacy way na you are supposed to own him. Every license you are supposed to operate within a certain
yeah, hwesi en sabesan aka ne bio na ye de no akọ ahoma ne so ahoma na breki na abusia ne maame Christabel Ayiram no ho na ye ne no ebo enkomo no no eye PRO anase kasamafo de ma HEFRA enkomo na ye de papa sanse afei na wonso wo de no ojanhye ne so ho pharmacy na wo area ho na ono nso otimi wo mpane nyina no afei na ne de na duru ho asemo na nanka ba ko bia mepese mebusa se aso we na koye enkura kasie mu nko ansa na ntententan no e wo mo achi wo mo na ejai binum wana aso wo mo de wo capitals no enkran Kumasi Kofodia Tamale Cape Coast Takoradi Sunyane ene sa capital cities no honko anu wo mo de gina ana se mikrom do krochwa abompe heman ekwa akosi ye ne ehon so no be ko ho sanse ehon na ya na akurase dokotafo no wo mo tai wo pa na te se hwehwe ene mframa ene mpotem ho area ho ni nyina no bebre ewo ho ye musa no okay em se waba na ye nto aso ma me sam akwa ba biem
yes me pacho me why line no akate
no kre aha na me busa se we no ebeye omo a ewo krom enkronkro akese no mu enkran Kumasi Kofodia Tamale ene na sefo akese no enko a anase wono mu a wo sabi enkronketua mu no eho nyina mbekọ ho
every loop and cranny of this country we are coming there so krom ye mu ye be ra yekita motorbike ni nyina be ba ho
okay Mami ansana meja wa mu akosanse me nimse obra no esuapa na ye gibidi afiri ho afutu a ode ma ye no mu a yekọ facilities no ena facility no operators no owners no afutu a wo ka bom na ade ma ye nyina ase ganafo
we pacho you meka yeah yekọ hospital for there pacho ko hospital dia shishete ube hefa license no enye sticker by license nankata ebohono valid men uko hu license I say expiry date 2021 ewu the doctor no ye nim e koto ho we are in 2025 if the own license I be expire from between 2025 and 2028 and 7 they are fine but I will contact 2024 crampo a ewu report your much HEFRA na omo operating facility into a omo ni license no me ye pese ye catch omo say ye time omo kwan bia so we are their regulators we just nya wo ye no who ye health sector you would want the best for the health sector you would want people to speak well of the health sector and who will ensure that people speak well of the health sector? HEFRA. And they need to cooperate with us. But for those who are not cooperating with us, no, immediately they tell us that you don't wish the health sector well. So you want to be an enemy of the health sector. But here HEFRA, we are saying, and what a back if the young people MOBia and Obinkwa and what chacha just because on look at the there be health first before profit. Health first before profit.
Health first before profit.
Before profit, yes. If you know, put people's health first before your profit are shared. Me that's it.
Mame, mo hotline bi a obi ehu bibi se obetimi afra ma na.
Paper cho I first no. Ubeko ubetimi akọ your website www.hefra.gov.gh. Your website no. Na opeta wo bibi na so opeta ka share your WhatsApp line. It is mobile line. 025 610 8267. Members will be 025 610 8267. And the WhatsApp number and a mobile number. Now your landline number so we 030 290 4027. Kumase your office ewo edum opposite Opoku Traded. Now oba client your headquarters ewo ministry of health.
Mame yana se anwumre se wagebre ene Sompa kase abonkomo enim se ye koye nim no foforo bia ba kira ye besan bo akache ne no abɔ ho nkomo.
Me pache you me that say.
Right. Abusia nipa ene ne bonkomo yi eye Mame Christabel eyuam no ho wono eye kasamafo ede ma Hefra ena ye ne no abɔ enkomo no nti sane obobo numbers no bia ojanhye ne so ukuro ketuam obi me de hokra ne hiame no obi ye pharmacy wo ho na wo mpane wo ho a nya na adwuma no no frɛ Hefrafo obi ebitimi mia kuro nyina wo ho etimi edi nsuo si nkrofo so wo ho wobɛkɔ no wo mpasi ho a wadi nsuo si obi so na wo mpane na wo yesei ɛkyekyere nsa OPD services ni nyina wo ye bi wo ho wo ye rough obɛgye wato ho amade akye saafo ni nyina no Hefrafo sɛ yɛ omadwuma no no nanso onipa kro no a ɔte sa over the counter ho no woni ho kwan se wo mpane woni ho kwan sɛ wo nyina so wo ye bie ɛna wo kwa ya asabia bia nso a ɛmfa ho ne ya asabia ko sɛ ne yɛtie bia no ɛyɛ ahwɛ sɛ Hefra license yɛmfa nto office yɛde bɔ hɔ ɛma obi ahwɛ bi
Sompa FM
enti nkasa administrator office ɛna mede Hefra license ne kɔbɔ yɛde bɔ abɔntene na manfo ahu sampa Hefrafo ama license okwa ya ahwehwe ebi ni hɔ saa ɛne Hefrafo mo nkomo abusia hot bite kase no ɛna wasugusu a utie no na Leicester Company Limited adawroma he nyame ya adomo a busumi ya wieye da etwato okra eyefiada ye kwa akohia mu ɛwɔ Kaneshi event grounds wɔ no a Kaneshi dwom na yeduru hɔ a ɛyɛ Sompa OB bus ɛne yɛde brewo ye ne Leicester Company Limited ya wo mo ye ya toothpaste ɛne brush ya eno ne timi tie anumu ema anumu timi da ho se dankran na bibia timi koyie ema yenya kukuduro ede kasa no wo mo ne enu mo kɔ esan se nia eba ne yebɔ nkwantene kɔhwɛ enya nia ɛkɔ na nia eba no ɛyɛ Leicester Company Limited wɔn mo de wo mo ne ma begu baase num na ye yas toothpaste ene ne brush ade bi ye yas bia no ya na ye papa ya pebitɔ na ono wabusua ɛbɛboa mo paa numbers a betimi afre na wonsu atubi aton sanse maka ne sei no eye adwuma 0501 619 588 0501 619 588 ena kumasen so 0501 390 338 0501 390 338 na one yen abo enkomo na promasido of wadawroma ena anwumre yi won betimi ama yatimi atibia di sanse se o ye aduane a wo ye ne fie no anya da abonten de ye mpe nanso ye ba fie bedidi na fie de nso nye na fie nya abonten nye ye ba da didie ni nyina ne se obeyisu onga e de ayi waduane no se ye stew na wo ye abomu ana afro ana se wo ye nkwan wo kye nam ebi ana wapon ya wo kɔ fie yi odu junction nso abeto chichinga bi busa abochi se ne nam no wo de spices be na egu ho se wanka onga eya eye nkoso be ma de entai didi abonten masa entai ni spices rough san se spices na wudi no ebetimi ahaw wan hweye ubenam spices so adobenada nanso se ye onga uni problem bia maame eya afa onga ye aduane no why na titiri pa na tre mix no eno no ginger wom garlic wom ena jende nsu wom eno nti unhia sa afa na akwa wurewure ginger ho ana uko tire uko wawa ejeni me pacho ya kan nyina bom baako eye onga mama's helping hand promise of one dia ba enye na ewo dwem ba bia eye apebito fd ahwema gya tum se enokore na se ye aduane ne wie na ba ma wabedru fie na osi wanum wato untimi nnedi a me pacho oba eye appetime heba mixture ma no nonom eno ne betimi aboa no sanse untim penten kwa wo fie eja ho enye aduane na ba ma ne mfa ne nsa ma wuwom ana wo ne abusua no mu nyina mo mre na mu wiama ka se aduane abomanum daabi time herbal mixture ewo ho eno boawo e ma utimi tibedi malaria nso na wo so ama se wuti edwa wo se ga ase de akuma e de asim uhia time herbal mixture ene betimi adi aboawo na bibia timi aye fine e de ama wo time HH mixture ene ne capsules nso wo ho a eno de wo adwonso ya e wo so wo adwonso no kura obre ansa na aba eba nso atimu se bia kam bema ubewie won so boxes mu nyina soku sanse amaye papa uhia time HH mixture and the capsules adrontafo eye akabom nanom na beboa pa oba onso wahemfie ho no eye asiesie ho nsansa bi na eje ho aboso no time HH mixture and the capsules ni be ye afi ho enonom ni sei no na afi empam agudie no nso no eboa ama ne manyina atimi akoyie KNG heba eno de no eba ya wa bi jan murum osese wo pebi na wonso watu aton a numbers ni 0244 417669 0244 417669 na onempani abonkomo enya na ewo pharmacy ene herbal shops nyina mu na emom hyene nso enya mapemfo oba o ma akoda nufuo ena akoda onya mfinhia no edu emienu obi aka bia ebetimi anombi ewe abusua wono madawromanti mayen tani ye ho beye sani botatami ensape emra ye ba hot bite kase ne nto aso ye de bema wo
ena yegusuwa yede ma na abusua babia wo bia yatie sitimponum na wedia yekọ otimantemu awrahosema esi ewo afofimu memreda bra subonto dan butui namsoma nipadunum sabre wo monka ate asefo ho a emu nkura nkuma ebia wonu mutuatua nofo ano na emu emfie mienu ne ahe wo munyina ati na nanom wonse do eno ana so ye hwe ema ne emema mofra ne asetena mu bambo ho nsam so Ministry of Gender, Children and Social Protection womo ede womo no gisamaba ede afa afidie so ama krata akwa kodumpenimfo aboboa no kyese no kwasem ni asam no womo tie na ye womo ya enti womo de yaw ne awere ho afa afidie so ede ama adehia womo adehia firim ewo ensuo no so na ano wono ma prepra wono ma yenya womo yi womo a woda so tie ase na adokotafo gina won so womo mo nyina akafra ema wono mokose na ewie ye no na asoye ne be chese no kwasem ni Ghana Maritime Authority ede recommendation bi aba e wasa abiri bi a wono ma efa nsuo no so no ebe hwe be hunu se life jacket ebi kan womo ho na eto de ede ne a saa enema no atimi abo ho ban amadodo na ankwa nkoti na nanom wonse do eno achi nso no womo sanso aka na wodi akire se brano no ya wono mo hwe ehunu se enema nyina deda na kwamu ansa na mpo wombesi nsuo no so a wonom esi so sada na wonom se we nyina echi no womo ka akire wonse eno no sade ya womo fa boboro so tata so ya nema sakaka aka ho no ye no so womonte eno nom so ene ahodo eka ho ewie no wo kire se koba se mofra nso atimu a ya womma womo ho de ehia wonkase esansa akura atimi hwe nsuo no mudin ehu se nanim mfoni dem enti wode ne nsa atuma so woyi wone be ba ho so no ebia no wafa akon so na wote ato nsuo num ne se hunti womo de ede afutuo ebema na momo bema busua womo de hia kam nyina yakọ asama wonom hyeden na we hu no bra enkomo ebaaye no ma yankọ na ken hwe ne yemusa se the ministry ne de womo ya konsem asa hye womo nkunane no se na busua ne si fa no na na madwe
Major so many are now.
O nyame hu ye mobo ahaye na otini na afanso e bra Ministry of Gender, Children and Social Protection wo mo de wo mo ye akone wo mo afutuo e ma ade hye wo mo de hye kan wo mo ete ase no se na abusua no esi so mu na se se oti e hot sen
oti de Sompa na memenda and ra kwesi and joda idea obetwemu oti man time a mpanyifo mu wo ma fanyina obia ewura huye de tutu ni eye okuma ne eye depume fa kwa ensamuno ensiye no ende anapa yenya akonya esatu anamo ekopopio mo fa na odru kro no mu dia ese se na adehye omo no mu twa jojosa e boyo hu body se yeni wonum a se bio sansamu ya ba betu omo ebusiafo betwetwe nkomo anso ya bre ne tie ne se kodu hono mu a enipa dudo no ana omaya den omu esu na sa eye ya konsam ya free eye Ministry of Gender and Social Protection awokan wasabu empanyifo no esu mu awawa to sell omuda eye aban empanyifo no ase enche bia ana enyumbe so ana yehu se eye regional coordinating council meche eye ORCC omuso edi eye enkraka ababo ntene ni omuchemu nyina no se echina nyankopon ya dom na yeda so ti nkoma eye omampanyi abedweche eye Professor Jenana Buko Agyeiwaa say sansami ato ewo otimantam die enya dia obetimi atana ewo enkre ambo no obebu ndikete abobetwemu ewo eye oti regional capital na one eye abamu mpanyi form wanu nyina afa eye ka akọ eye bia ya sansami ese na omonso edi omo ya konsama efe eye abankesemo dia akọkọma eye additional omo ewo eye okuma ni debuma endana memenda anka omo fi omo eye community biche eye okuma nkomo kwa ye ewo debuma eye sa asami ekokosi ewo eye refa otino so mo
nana na eba ne sei no wo mo a yenya wo mo yi wo ma no wote ase no so wo mapom den te sei
omapom din di empempe so amenu kasa de nipa enso na omo yi omo omo da so ti ase ndi yedi eye trona epo eye sada no ewo eye rara eye dia kuye eye district government hospital and already edizuko eye ke department eye municipal eye hospital of and then anapaba ye kugudu of an you say ye disa of na ebaya omapom din esisu na mbom onuma omahwe en omonka nipa edu ensiano omo eraso eye mostra eye empigifo etutu anamo ehwe omenya eye down with the betu ye bekwa yes ya dishe ya aba ewo omo community so
nana mo ye ja wo na mo akokora no wono ma saa kwan na so na wo mo fa ya wo mo so yusu sushama ne bi ya na wo mo ba wo mani mu tesai ana e ba se de wo mo ja so fa
insurance de it's almost mean ja so fa esa say akwa ye fishing eye community ente de ya wonu mu aka ejuru no ada eye fishermen so official folks no blend kaso mo nko so na pa ye kudo pa na do na e de omukudo e ko insurance so omukwa se omenya enam bi so eye on se fe de ni akwa se no eye between eye Crouch East and Crouch West ambo mu no wonu mo wo eye Crouch West no omu ye mu bibia e wo under Crouch West ente na anapa ye kudo pa no ye hu se the assembly member ono enehwe eye okuma eye yabura electoral area no ono what the other side of the river utino it's already impending for so cross eye issue no e ba ono intention say there among for and also efa issue so na so function so
ene life jacket no wo mon koso a emfani wo hudwuma na trenchemsi a yankokore krefhwehwe nyumre me no wase no obre koso afu oni di akire foforo bia e betweniti no ya no wote na so na kencha ne yekoe no otimantam na yekofa amanebo ahodo a ekoso ene wonum a etigu nsunum wo mo eda so te ase ene aso ehwe asetena mu bambo ema ne mema na emofra yedi ho nsam so wo mo ya akonsemachi
awosara wosam ya mu no Ana Ghana Maritime Authority wamo ade apiedwa atrose wasanhwehwemu se wonmo yesansa wo hemu a eyare wosam papa pasani padunum ya wonmo atwansuo wi akire no jasa subonto ana kodo ya wonmo twie no kwada ne butuo na nkoda ba sedu ba akode wonam so atina nanom ewansia do enam so nti wonma fraba before ya wonbom pempe ewo ma Ghana yensu wansu aso Ghana na visa wonma me bimfam woi na wonhwehwemu no ase enene kine ya na wase na ekura no womde umani toto fam wono womo ahunu sa wo hwamua de na wotwe sa akodo no emfomso no kakra fri no ana mpempi no wa no so no aya na wono muti akire passengers no womo so ebi fri womo enti koba no se na se dane butu sa no a na se enhio no a womo nam so no ni hweye sa ememe ne sa nipa no nyina eno na aka wo bia ma wosam wa yatie yi yensa atimi asoso na Deputy Director General Adema Ghana Maritime Authority Owura Masawudu Mubarak wono ana ne nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ edi nkɔmɔ yɛ asɛm wɔ nyinata wadane akyire adekyerɛ ya wɔkyerɛkyerɛ mu sei.
We are drawing from people from the Maritime Police. I mean, already there's a Navy detachment that is at Ketipreche that is quite close. They already have been deployed and officials from the Ghana Maritime Authority. So at this stage, we don't have the full complement of the team that we require to be able to begin entirely. We've come to learn that most of these accidents happen as a result of negligence on the part of boat operators and passengers alike. Most of these boats are not in good condition. Most of the times when these boats navigate water bodies, you would see that the boat operators and the passengers alike do not wear life jackets. So we are intensifying our education and awareness raising on this. It will interest you to also know that we are a bit handicapped when it comes to the legal backing that we require to be able to make enforcement of some of these provisions.
I was your Deputy Director General of the Ghana Maritime Authority. Yara Masawudu Mubarak and a crowd so and sir and nay, Wushamua, one we overload a wunsuno so, and tea a Wabana Sano Nase, a Makodwana Wadeno Akofamua, a ma a Danibutu ye, na any padunum or more efrimui.
Afe yamfe ani chiremo ewo ensemfu from Matiefo Bekaya. Kane Penny Kwanchafo anwada National Service Authority ano yera osesi entry. Yokofo ekofa no ema won yeso mu ye ne mu hwehwemu me ne wo kase ya won se won de charges makoma sa du 914 ene won de ayanta ne komu na sa 14 no ebi ayese enam ne nsa so na wo man Ghana ahwe sika puduo pa ya sa sika no ke betimi de atua etichafo ne nesefo ya won mu sie ntua mo kai e betimi de atua won ka ebi o wasan so amono a wagina ne tumi so awia wo man ne sika de agu ne botomu a na wo bia nim ho hwe enu achi no wasanam kuntuna ase edi sika ho dwa wonni ho nkrata bia na wonni ho tumi se wo so yesa ni nyina eka ho no ebie na empanifo kire se efri be se afi mpinu ne aduonu baako edi besi efri August 2021 edi besi February 2025 no wo authorize ya na se wo ma ghost names nkoa ya yetua sika de ma won wo sa afi ntem no na nipa no eye 60,000 na nso no mu nyina akura no yenim wo mo nsamanfo sika enam so ekodi sa nsamanfo e ho no eye 500 million 861,744 cedis and 2 pesos ena enam papa yinsa so efri August 2021 edikosi afiye mu February bosume de to so February 2025 ewa afi mu no enipa 60,000 anu amudin wan krata mu so wo ni adwuma num kra no yetua de ma won enu achi wo kire se esan nam ne nsa so ma wasan awiewia wo man ni sika ne millions of Ghana cedis ni nyina awawia afei sika won kire se wawiewia no ebie eye 3.6 million Ghana cedis wo kire se August 22 2023 eno sa sika no wiaye eno ye mpanimfo nkrata wo mode aba afei 516,000 Ghana cedis eno so eye from September 11 August 26 and afei November 23 ni nyina 2023 no amu 1.03 million Ghana cedis eno so ye December 18 2023 no so afaye and afei 2.06 million Ghana cedis eno kra de May 14 2024 yayi ena wo fa asasika no na wo kire se wono ankasa no so wabiebie ne ono ane personal account bi anu odi sika famu a ni nyina no wom de account details ni Swiss card ni details nyina no ede aba afei kumawu project bi a na wose wo ye ewo ho eno nso sika ekọ mu nko ano 74 million Ghana cedis a saa sika nyina no wo mo bo akire hwe na je se nyina ya dada kra hurura da ya no hwe enimu eno nti wo mo gina so a kire se empo September 30, 2022 papa yi ejina wo no ani to me so ekoyi sika na sum 55 million Ghana cedis eno anso hwa October 20 2023 so wasan koyi sika 15 million Ghana cedis eno so wo bi anka ne benkum anka ne nifa afei January 2024 yeyi eno so wasan koyi 4 million Ghana cedis every adwumako na account mu a ni nyina no ekamea ase wo de koekumawu project enso wo de di na ato so keke na sa sika no emu 1 person ampo nyaade a na yekro eno nam so ema me ne okase ya mpanifo ayehye se animu ya Accra High Court de ne kwa akogina ho na sa charges yom de aboni nyina no yero sa sibantwi wakwa akoyi ni ho na se bubo no de a Ghana mra ene no akwo ase
ene emra no ne ni abre papa na nya asam kro nso no kutem ensam no doso esanse kane kwankyerefo a na wono a na yetitreni no woda Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund GIFF ano Professor Christopher Miakumfi nensamo so no wo munyanyemu wo mudaso a eginam na ene sade court no etu hye free bosome July no ne da na etoso deduasa so wo mbesa atena ho bosome da na etoso dedu na mensa no ene wo mko ho nanso wono mkokodure no amane boy free ho ba ene se Professor Christopher Miakumfi na mre nim ni a wono na ekuta asanum no bibinti sa pani de nkrata akose watwe na ho de afiri asanum enti bra wo mkopie koto a her ladyship Audrey Kokovite wo tie gwamu no na wo be chese no kwasem ni wo kansere se wo je adwuma no wo de krata aba na de asama no san menteme ho ase bia ba mene ne ntem eno ene nam so a de sa aba nanso ni nyina mu no owura wo ka ho Solomon Asamoah Victoria Bath ene kansere wokuta na asenum won de kire se professor de no bibia ba ho na wo mo twe asenya ne de so mene de toso de duo no se wo mo mra na fe Solomon Asamoah ne fe wo mo no wo mo nto aso na wo mo ne na Professor Christopher Miakumfi de se sie ne lawyer ni Duke Aaron Sasu se wo de nkrata akọ ba ko ni mienu binti no adwuma no wajai
afei ye ko bonafosemu Ghana Police Service woman krabata ye hwe bonafosemu ekoso ewa be fonchente fidie so metro cyber crime unit adma CID Ghana Police Service womo adekrata bi apie dwa ye wo bomane se wachire nipa binimu a wosu se womo tia be fonchente fidie no so na womo ankasa de womo pe accurate fake account se womo ton nuane ewo no nti wo obetimi aye delivery na ekoba no sa no na se utue sika de ma womo a na womo nam sa akunya no so abu afa so na enipa ya wachire womo na makumaku du ana aposifo nsade kan womo de dikan wo kire mu ana se October bosunda na dikan no ana okokire nipa nsia na womo de na didi so yi Wanda Sakpetin Sadanam Amaglu Gosway Daniel Angela Agbremekpe Matthew Aheto ana Fafali Amua Safo nyina no aposifo kwakire womo October bosunda na dikan ewo soga kope ana wache womo na ebra wache womo no ana womo kira sanyo mo nko na ye na ye wo mema birim wo hono mo a won so hye kire ye wo sese aposifo akwakire womo nam so nti womo didi die kire a akikire bi ka ho na aposifo kire se won mo kire mo po ana botaye omode ya saa nyina na yese won benya Ghana fo abu wo mo na nya Ghana fo nko wo man mu ni wiase afa na nyina de hia no so be ya asese wo oda aduane e de free won mo nchen na won mo bu di afa so enti social media na account no won mo create bebre ba ko won mo ye di ne papaye ba ko so mo ye ne pizza man wo mo ye ba ko KFC ana won mo ye ba ko mawoko ni nyina no eye din a wo mo de atoto so a ya che se mawako yes wo mo de atoto so ya won ma ye de abasa ne ye be ya wo benya nkrofo bu won ma fa so e wo mayi mu na sa din a wo mo de atoto so yi e na mo kire se ye woni pa ba ko a won de adwen kese no won na kita no a wo de sa adwen ne ba ye e kire wo mo kwan ya won mo fa so na wo mo nkrofo fa so social media no so enti se ko ba no se wo ye se wo place wo da wo so de ka tu mobile money kakra fatum ye half payment enti ye half payment ni wi a wo betena wada ne nkyini sie aduane no a emma wo sika no so a won sanka na won mafa na wo mutumi wurawura mu a bowura wo bank account mu wo mobile money wallet no masan so atwe sika da so nyina ade afri so na wo kire se October abosom da to so dumienu ana posifo duadua mu na sa no ade ye eno mkokọ kire nipa miensa bia na won mo so aka ho wo mo na adwen kase no ankasa gita wo mo na hatwo e won kramantam no nsako so wo mu wo kire se wo mo din de Elijah eche dodo no abon ma ne se pop smoke wono na chese adwen kase no ankasa kita no ana Elliot achu ana Gertrude achu Obed Salasi Agboli wamo ade nipa wodo a posifo akwakwakire wamo a wo se wamo na etachire ya na sa abonefo sam wanyina ekoso na ebra won sakoso saafo imu yi wamo nya mobile phones makoma koto 12 dumienu ana won monsa eka ye ya na ni nyina no wode aka hwehwemu awodo a wakwakoye ne adanse a wobetumi ade agina so sane ye be na asam no hyase wo kota wobanya bibi ade agina so na Ghana Police Service won ye papa sansa sa abonefo sam no ahyase a ekoso wo magana mu a woni awa mo ni na hopene ni pabonfo bi woba bebu ade afaso
sa hweye no a ena asoye hwe ensase ene fuma gudi ensem so wo mo so ma ye ama me ne wokase wo mo achichi nipa bese 1500 wo mu nyina ye illegal mining ho nkomo ena wo mu akọbọ wo mu akodie ena ebi nso akoye ena ya cheche won na ni nyina mu no eniema wo mu de ye adwuma no de eche nkurei bebre ena mperenfo ache nipa wo kansa asem we sei ekire ye eye maame amama usi wono kasa ede ma ahye ye no ena wie ya ewo forgotten country so bra na Professor Kwabla Abochi wote adwamu ena wote nanim eno ne bon kom no che se no kure adwuma de wo mu ye bi na nipa wo mu achi wo mu nkoa no eye 1500
baby ayedu no we are putting everything on the table institutional approach na you use no crampona it is not a one size fits all thing it is work in progress nine must start somewhere in June so I'm not making it's an amalgamation of security agencies nine must no any task force so you're fully functional operational secretariat and then we have a task force as part of that secretariat so last week or so Attorney General the bill be to cabinet for expedited courts so that galamsey issues no say na make a crisis situation we can't sit down there and cause as ye di one grow as ye defe issue no enye asema ye be defe no when we effect those arrests we can see faster prosecutions
abusia we eye maame ama mausi na wo wie kura no eno o se ade ba ko a e wo se Ghana fo nyina hye ne nso eye sense ase no wo mo pam wo nyina de afrin sase no so no nya de so wo pam wo sa keke e wo se assign turning sase no ne e fa reclamation no se na e be ye betimi asa use ni biu
no credit one river bodies are yedi 7 years 8 years are saying yeah for 1 year and reverse it back to blue but what we are saying is we are clear to say we want to be transparent to the people of Ghana inti ese Ghana for so it was a misquote the question was specifically on reclamation and okay say reclamation is going to cost us a lot. Na the way ISCC ano ye fa Ghana budget cry nyina cry bomu crampo na e bi cry na into me and solve because we are in crisis situation. At the end of the day what we are saying as a government is but enye Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources ejuma e Ghana fo nyina ejuma ye kasa ahemfo no mo nye dia mo beye no wo ye ohene na sa wuti area na say you allow galamsey to fester in your community how complicit nobody is going to twist the law for anybody
maami ama mausi mawonya fia wono kasa e de ma so ye hwe ensase ene efo gudie ensem so ene wie ya forgotten country so woni Professor Kwabla Abochi ene bo nkomo yi
ene sa nkomo na hono nso national security penny bi nso akasa e de afa ho na wono apuamantamo ene odi ne dwuma Yewura Francis Anodompre ene kase wo se na mo so adwumakuo no a wono maba wo mo enam na wo mo a eye fom agudi amfa mra kwan so ye di wo mo achi no wuni a wo ye aba mu pani anase wo ye wo hene anase wo ye pani aka bi ebem na sabi wo mbe so obi panchi sade oba pa mba ma wusi chese wo ma so nipa be se apem ne ahenum achi no na waba abegina ho atutu ntuma aguso atwu mpabo aso abekire se we de nanade hye na munhunu mmobo temper just it with mercy wuni abe sa no sade owura Francis Anodompre che ne se wo akwasa kura no emra no ebedi ubi na wo kan we no wo kan so e de akire se na amoso adwumakuo no Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources yewura makofi bua na so eye no emra kwan so wotintimi efiri mampani so akache na eba ne se hunti wo bibia ntimi ntutu wo mo dwumadi a wo mudi emutuo eno no owura Francis Anodompre ya wo no ye ka national security no a wa ben wo mu bi wa election officer wo no na e kire sa nsemi mu e kire se mo obi amfa na hwene hwehwia wo mo nsemu ente sa wuni a wo so bedi sa adwuma no emra kro na ache de wodi foma gudie bra emfa mra kwa so no sa mra kro na ebeche won so
Abusoya toa ansam no aso na appointment national security coordinator Ora Francis Anodompre wano anebo kokoyi wase na efuma gudie ne womani abre papa sasa mansama ya wasama na tamfu so ya wono mo baba hwemuo na wode amusuo nkan na kwahya woman no yakwa abretu anase yenso mo hya se wutu gara na emara ne nso mu ene ubedi pa sane yese na efata na anansam twofo hwemudie bi yakoso ewe poyama ntamu ya amane boni kwabena nyako ekopie mu wase no eno panyipa de asemi atuja.
Last week we were there. You also, those of you who watch it, the I keep emphasizing on the National Anti-Illegal Mining Operations Secretariat put together by the President himself, and they report to the President and then the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources. And the point is that the order is straightforward. Let the waters be blue, the clean, drinkable like it used to be. Let the forest be green at least. And so that is why otherwise I wouldn't be here doing press conference as national security.
Na anwatwe no anwo baba trose na wom the tax force ahoto bi atoto miami awodo chichiru ane yensu wansu ane yakwa ibretuo na sekoba se wonu so mu sa wonu ma wodi tu gala anase wa mu kura wonkita permit se wodi betu gala awoma Ghana emu hanum se ya won be rasa tax force no ebe se wonu ma no.
When he runs away, it will be difficult to go and track the person, wasting time going to chase the person. No. The point is that it is those equipment that they are using to destroy. And it's not like we are coming, the soldiers are coming and then they will leave. They are not coming to leave. So if it must go deep down there, they are not coming to leave. They are coming to stay, monitor, operate, destroy, and make sure the water is pure, that we can all see the water flowing is pure, and that's it, and nothing more, nothing less. And we are not going to compromise on that.
I was returning to Eastern Regional National Security Coordinator Ora Francis Anodompre nana ana yekokotie ya na woye ncheche mu kakra ede atwe
etiefo beka ya na watwe wie ye ene ebo wokase se kopie mu asante mantam ba bi efro se twapiase abo enipa bi akwa akodi awu ama mene wokase wo mo motorbike kura wo mo san wie aye no brosifo akwa akwache won na yebo wokase no yebo wo ma hu se nipa iko wie ye kura wo mo san de ade ani free twapiase ho edi kopie mu obo hase ho ba bi kura se nko ne kwa akoton ena nam so a brosifo ekwache won na wo mo kire se assembly member ya wa twapiase e friend se Francis Apia wono na assembly nyina begu nanim ena okobo brosifo amane se asemu asie nie eno nti brosifo nso etu ho na mon ena nan pepepe ena brosifo kwache abrante ba kwa friend se Solomon Opoku wɔn kɔkye no ɛwɔ council quarters ɛwɔ Boase bra no wɔn na nye sɛ wɔkɔ akɔtɔ motorbike no na nhwɛmu edidi ya ma ɛsan kɔkye abrante baako ɛfɛ no Collins Aboagye ya wɔ no ɛwɔ kokotesua wɔn nso hɔ no wɔ dodo na enim sɛ hɔ nso so ɛhyɛ Oboase mfimfini hɔ no a ɛna wɔn kɔkye no wɔ hɔ na ɛno na ɛna wia yi na akɔyɛ sɛ yɛnka na obi ɛka bie no ɛna polisifoɔ so dabi wɔn bɛkyerem na Asante South Police Command no wɔn mo ɛna ɛyɛ nsɛntwerɛfoɔ nhyia mu na mu mpani ɛkyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm mu ɛde akyerɛ no wɔn mo kyerɛ Sompa kasiese ɛma yɛn nso yɛ TB egu nhoma so na yɛntie sɛ na polisifoɔ de nkyerɛmu ne baayɛ.
The Asante South Regional Police Command has arrested 2 suspects in connection with the robbery and murder of a 20-year-old man, Kufi Mensah, at Chopiasi Abu in the Ashanti South region. The suspects identified as Solomon Opoku, 24 years, and Collins Aboagye, 27 years, were arrested following sustained intelligence-led operations. The arrest follows a report made to the Brigade District Police Command on 6 October 2025 by the Assembly member for the area, Honorable Francis Apia, indicating that the victim had been attacked, killed, and his Saudi motorbike stolen. On 10 October 2025, suspect Solomon Opoku was arrested at council quarters.
Abusia, where your prosifo ɛwɔ Asante South Police Command num. And one of friends and traffic den sɛm to yanim sɛ no kura nipa no de wɔn akye wɔn. Ne ɛwɔ so yɛ bia no nso no wɔn bɛyɛ.
Asuafo a wɔn bɛkɔ sukuu ntoaso na ano wɔn tworo wie ya. Afidie badwen bɛ toto wɔn petepete baabi a asuafo no bi fa ya ebi akɔfa bukumdas ebi afa rodros na nso ewie ye no yɛde wɔn akɔto baabi hiama nkyene no ne yade no ɛno ɛna awofo yi wɔn kyɛ sɛ nyame de kyɛn a adekyɛn bɔsome de ɛtɔ so dadu na nwɔtwe wɔn bie school besi sabre still no a wɔn ma ne bi kura ehunu baabi a wɔn da sesei na ɛnɛ no wɔn wɔ nat hɔ ewie ye no wɔn ne yɛn nsɛntwerɛfoɔ kasae
but Miss Ma, Miss Secretary, and Obama, last 2 weeks ago. The last 2 weeks, no. We are almost a results. We are not going to see me banana. But Mama, again, it's not a person who is a couple. Still the same. Yeah, it's a fun. Happen to make one inside the family.
Eno eya awofo bia wo mo ma mo akodi nsenseme e wo na atho na ate se wo mo bo wo sujetire e kire yen centralfo
na school placement won sensem ye nanam so ama first senior high secretariat won kwabata won kamantamu wanam so akire nipa mienu bi ye osu se wo mo de won mo dwumade a won mo dia no nto mo ba wo mo se mema ye num wes mema ye be du won mo nyina pa senior high school mo kwan na so sa no wajeje nkrofo sika enti waba won nkyɛn a so woba no wanya school ana wo pe school be na de ama no fama mamiska na waje wo hoska woba na waba ba sesa no ɛwɔ secretariat wo na won mo kyerɛ sa na ɛkɔso a ananam so ama ne won ma kyere nipa mienu a wode mo kɔ akɔgyina mara no na ayɛ hwɛsode ɛde ama foforo na deputy national coordinator adema first senior high secretariat Dr. Belinda Glover wono ɛna ne nsɛmtwerɛfo edi nkɔmɔ ɛkyerɛ sɛ saa de na ɛkɔso no obɛsra ba atane ahwɛfo sɛ won mo ntwa so sanse yanim guasesam ademo man no say ye pa man no dache ye pa nkoda dache na wo de obenam kwati kwan so agege ska wie kira na won mu dimum ane ye bese no.
We have been able to arrest some of them. In fact, they come with multiple sheets trying to do changes either day to boarding or boarding today or sometimes changing program, because the ideal thing is you can't have more than 5 children going to secondary school at the same time. So we have been able to track down those people and then we have managed to hand them to the police to deal with them. So we are saying that you can't come here more than 2 sheets. Anything beyond 2, it means that you are in here to do business with us, and we are not ready to accept that. So far, we have about 2 that we have handed them over to the police. Yes, and we have also made the announcement that you can't come here wait more than 2 sheets. Beyond 2, you are in for business, and we are not here for business. So we will arrest you. You can't tell me that you have 5 children going to senior high at the same time. No, and we'll follow up. We realize that these people are just collecting money from people and then coming here and using us instead to make money, even because we are here to help the public. But in as much as we want to help the public, we also have to be as smart as possible.
I was Senator and Care Deputy National Coordinator at the Free Senior High Secretariat, Dr. Belinda Glover.
Na yemfiri ho na yemremu ewa pomdin mu kakra. Oswafo ye hwa pomdin so ewa man Ghana mu eyo nimnyamfo Apam Dadaa kando se hujabo so mrase bedwani. Wana na yaka se wo kire se enyarewa bi wa Ghana ha se ne efe no non communicable diseases no. Bi ti se bia cancer ahodo breast cancer ne sa yade no a enye nsa yade sa no. Hadwene pa wo mayimu o. We nya nia me kasa apam ho na afri me nkyan kɔ ne ho ne bi ana me kyia no na akɔ ne ho ne bi a nya no bi nanso yade a egintre ha pa wo man Ghana mu na wo kasa no ene wo kyerɛ se saade we sei wo hwɛ enyarewa hodo a yenya wo Ghana ha na we sa non communicable diseases ya wo behwem no na emu ahamu nkyemu be se aduanan miensa eko na aduanan num no ni nyina no bekeka ni nyina akobom no na ne sa yade yi ehim pepepe wono nko a waje be se 45% e de aboso na se yanhwe ye ne e betrete na ho ama non communicable diseases abeku man Ghana mu nipa se area na de asem kase pa e na enam wode se mu nyina tudwa ebra na wo pa nipa makoma akudum yensa wo mu nyina ye governing board e wo Ghana Medical Trust Fund nia mahama case no wo mu kwa akoda no ene wode se mu nyina tudwa no wo chese wo ne kwei wo mu nko ye adwumade nya adwuma bete e ma sa nya de wo do bi a ye ka ho asem sei no wo yetimi editu nkonim.
We have been able to arrest some of them. In fact, they come with multiple sheets.
The statistics show that about 43 to 45% of our mortalities are attributable to NCDs. This is how scary it is. In fact, even if you move to the adults, it's even scarier. In fact, I'm told that 1 out of every 3 adults in Ghana has hypertension. And so there is the need for us to do something immediately about it.
Enia yeti ye orimnyamfo kwabena minta akando se hujabo so mrase bedwani na wode ne nkasa ye ba we ye no so our one last announcement to person ogina Sompa kase so na oye o se Ghana man pani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama adarete say dialysis ya aban aso asene e wa aban aya asabi ahodo ni nyina mu no Ghana man pani say omomfa nko ankrankra die num se na be ya betimi aboa na Ghana fo benya nkwa.
So the current arrangement for payment of dialysis is that if you go to public health facilities, we have a maximum amount of money we pay per session. That's around 499 something, about 500 Ghana cedis. What we have realized is that there are people who also go to the private facilities. And so His Excellency the President has directed us to give that which is paid to the public facilities. So for example, if you go to private facility A and they are charging you 1,000 Ghana cedis, the government will pay the 500 Ghana cedis and you top up, to be fair to everybody. So the CEO for National Health Insurance has been directed accordingly to take up that challenge.
Enti se okwa nkra ya asabia no na se ho ye je 1,000 Ghana cedis aban so obefafa na won so afafa aban ya de na mompre no we ayo nimnyamfo kwabena minta akando
ene peneno chese wonu mu a eya na esefo na waye adwuma na so yentua wo mu ka na nse wote wo hugu monten so no wo mu so pene onabo kwabena minta akando se biu na wonu mu se wakasa ama ato wo masom se wo se anesefo ne adokotafo no a wo mu so yentua wo mu ka no 65,000 abana capture won ya obetua wo no mu ka na no na convener Edema Coalition of Unpaid Nurses and Midwives. Stephen Kwajotechia. Wade womo enasye efa Sompa so ama honorable enasweyeno.
We are really happy and excited for the swift response from the ministry, and we will say we are happy with the response, and we are hoping to start receiving our salaries from November. So we thank the ministry for the response to our plea. And with regards to our arrears, the minister made it known that the plan for payment is going to be made clear to us as time progresses. That's where we are a bit skeptical, but we have confidence in the ministry that the plans they will lay for the arrears to be paid is something that will be in our favor. So in all, we would say we are happy with the response from the ministry.
And we are convener Edema Coalition of Unpaid Nurses and Midwives. Stephen Kwajotechia ene kasai.
Leicester Company Limited adawromenti obebiti. Brush papa no Leicester Company Limited. Wanu mo na be hye ma me ne enkoye nim. Afei womo eka ho bie na ye kono na onga. mama say open hand enso gina mu den ma yaduane papa ne a ede ne bia die na se yenu muto na ye ntimi nnidi a time herbal mixture ena eboa yen am yenu mu ato so kama ne atimi ate onga ne de na bibia ye fine na wonso awjonso a wote ya wo akire no ana awjonso a emaye no eno na be ye time HH mixture ene ne capsule so adro ntafo no na waka bom na bibia atimi aye fine wono mada romanti ene ye wo ba bi tie na ote yenka ewo Ghana ha ba bia saa ninti no yemfa seda ema won na ye na ne ye ho sima pe emra ye ba kase no ye de to aso
Medo edrano pa wutimi to wo boase etwitwiwusi o ado na so ni se me de yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwi mesima minya homka senti na ye bokoi na me die me all time favorite yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me amasesei menum nso a enwunu anasa de ehia me semfimfem me biem na wo hwese mesi aye fita sesrecha homa na et brightens yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me di hwimese enti na wo se efei na yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne die ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham. Oh yes, Enukratrodo, Yas Herbal, Yas Whitening, and the Yas Total Care Gel Toothpaste, and then the brush, Abusian Chamfa.
Sawo pedudu 2 e won kan ha. For Leicester Ghana Limited, and was 050-161-9588.
Leicester Ghana Limited and the Yas toothpaste mo ahodo and the brush abadwaso abeboy
midimafo pokwase maira akra midimafo pokwase maira akra
midimafo heba clinic aba akra
ani o wontie passengers egumi kai mu ehwa na dodo na ekro
ene sa akra ne botem yedemu
ani yedemu ampa de se de adutwam Atlantic International University America memu abo Dr. Adujamfi babaso honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine it is said here ayaresa no more. Oh, Missy Minim wife, your copa war. 1 year, 1 city. Need send be 2 months and 8 years cano. Miss me connection and shed down Koye, na a sakakra. To say what Peggy Mama or the them connection. What about the crowd? Stroke so dear. What found small. Chessa, I did you who any dear Siano. Yari Bia Tatia, ever Dr. Tamdaso and so. Diabetes, hepatitis B, prostate, hypertension, malaria. Yari Bia. Kumasi say, oh, go opposite government school. And then Krahanso, Obepim. Ewo pokuase mayira kwano so. For doctor 0244-774-282
and 0500-727215.
Midimafo Herbal Clinic.
Wudimafo ne hwa.
Da obiari hia emwashun kubia ebemani ni opepa aye de change onga mama sano boafo FDA Agyeiwaa yin krato ya so sano boafo
TV Emma Aketiapa.
I was sure that most say to and some no so. Na Agyeiwaa Canada compare ko Japan wono emrebi atwamu na wogina sir asen central mashebetwani na opani wose bobo no sir NPP mabato abama no na wabeto Frank Adiama na ne edidimu ana 2028 Ghana for to aba ademanoa wababa mampanyini wo ma Ghana emu na wono ana hyase ya wakasa yi wose wiasem de waye bi pen wakaso be ni mpre no so yenye na chinyukura na wo hwemu a wono nyuma wodo ya wabiebie wo ma Ghana mu no eye bedama nam sunti so wakase wo ba no obama Ghana fo adwuma eni kwan so man no ye gena chinyi nam so nti wobasra pa se Ghana man ye ntie na bi nto NPP amanyoko no titiro ne delegate ya nyame ya adomu a general boso ndato so aduasa ba ko wo mkwakwato aba na won mayi kandini e wa amanyoko nim sa won mo nyina wo mo panipa wo ba wadi adwuma beba empuntuo beba enkankwo beba na NPP manso wato won mu a eyo no yewura Kennedy ohene a Japan na won Facebook na opanyi pe kwotwotwo sansam igu ye ya wokyero se ye pe bibia hwa ya hwan record ene oba ye yi wono kura nyamedi president kura ada no enyuma wa bie wo ma Ghana mu ene won ma wafa wo mu adwuma wo ma yimu no enya asem ketwa ma enti eno kura no ya dansedie soronko ade man sase ye de 2 minutes shanensa wo be de mampanyine mu wo be di no wodi ni ya manyuma ebuo ma yimu
na ye gina MPP wa mu nkomo ya mu eno na Kofi Ameya wono so ewo MPP mu a wono so ka wo mu ekasa ede ma mu yoko ni wo se ewo mi se nipa num ena afa nkrata ya wono mu ekwakwa pre franka tubia no ede ye nenso akansie ni gina nipa mienu ntam eye ni nyamfo kana de akompre kwa Japan ena afi Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wo se wo mu a akwafa nkrata ne nyina na nokre eye fi akonya na ato wo mu nyina qualify so on beko bie nanso ko fom pa edi a won ebo eye di mienu pe Dr. Bawumia ene kana de Japan.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia must not win the MPP party. Ken must win. You made mention of the fact that, you know, he's marketed, his sellability is up there. But we are also well aware that history is replete with candidates who hitherto were marketed, were more sellable than the other candidate. But eventually the people chose the other person. In the case of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, I will not dispute his marketability because, of course, he has been in a political system, ecosystem, for well over 16 years, okay? He's been a vice president, the running mate, and all of that. He's been a forefront of MPP's politics in a very long time. So that is there. But the fact of the matter is that going into the 2028 elections and beyond 2028, Ghanaians are looking for a certain kind of leader. And in every time, in every season, in every situation, we need a particular leader.
Kofi Ameya no every time and every season ye hear particular leader sa leader no just MPP for na be kwa akoyie wono na kasa ye ene ode nsem we eto so mpaka se anim
ene ye nwura amana ne na amana no mampani Donald Trump na akasa America mampani ne nyina ye se be ye na asundwe abua no Gaza fo ebetime ne Israel fo na no ma no me kire Palestine fo no na enne nam so ama enhyemude kase ana wo mo abodwa e wo pokoko no ho wo Egypt ya eho Egypt mampani Abel Fattah al-Sisi no wo twense yewura Donald Trump no nyina beba ama wo madi nkomo na fe sa asundwe abua wo matimi ano ma no ena mampani Trump o chese sese de etu nkotwere ba bi etwere asundwe abua no enye duru so de wo mo aso ho daye na ne kaka eche wo mo no ene ne nyina ba wiye na sansemi wonya adaje pa esi nanumu entasuo se ya ema yensa ntwerofo nso etase bi de bre yetiefo.
But now at last, not only for Israelis, but also for Palestinians and for many others, the long and painful nightmare is finally over. And as the dust settles, the smoke fades, the debris is removed, and the ashes cleaned from the air, the day that breaks on a region transformed, and a beautiful and much brighter future appears suddenly within your reach. This is now a very exciting time for Israel and for the entire Middle East, because all across the Middle East, the forces of chaos, terror, and ruin that have plagued the region for decades now stand weakened, isolated, and totally defeated.
Eno ya mampani Donald Trump wa ena ensemi nyina wo boso se woni Benjamin Netanyahu di nkomo ena no obusa senti se woda ne na niti no wote killer ya de ne beni mu nti wonya bibia manenka na asundwe emfantampa mfra
aha ena breme ye kwan ma kase no ne Leicester Company Limited ede ya toothpaste ena ne bro special yasne na promised of for the onga ebo ne chidom na time herbal mixture ena time HH mixture ne capsules nso ebo ano ema ye de som wo no ye de nyina AC enensem a ye de som wo no na poso bie ene se
Duke Erensasu wono na ye lo ene ede ma Professor Miakonfi waso wone ne krantre ntemu ngunti adwuma no ahoro ne nsa firi ho
Ghana Maritime Authority anso dia basara wasam wasiye awokatakrachi no wanmu ahyenhwemu ase
Kan ipani kwantrefo ano da National Service Authority ano yero se SB ntwi empanifo de entansa makomaku dunan e na abo no awon chese Ghana sika de wafa bi pa
afe amanone mampani Trump aka kire Israel parliament se de nanka ye kakaya e chi wo mo na dwubumbo mu no esi ni nyina atwa
ensam no ahodo bebre ka we no ho ene ye de besom wo bra na etwago e wo Sompa 106.5 FM so e won kran no sabra no ana Kumase so Asante Mantamu Sompa 93.1 enso e fa Ayiko 100.9 ono so Kumase Adamfopa radio e wo France ahenkro Paris no mu afei Sompa 101.1 e wo Takwa 103.3 e wo Takwa de 106.1 e wo Tachiman and afei 98.9 wo Sunyane Sompa 90.7 e wo Nkranza wo nyina afaaye and afei 101.3 e wo Doma Kingdom 106.1 wo Mankasim so fa bi sanso ena udiko da na so te yenka e Sompa FM ena fe Facebook no e Sompa 106.5 FM Accra ene TikTok ni nyina YouTube ni Sompa FM live na www.sompaonline.com so uhu yente yenka ekenkan se no bebre e wo ho yanom ayaje brebe kenkan se mi de ma wo no ye me Obrempong na kwaku ampoma mene
AKOSUA Agyeiwaa KODIE boaten ena
triple mai ejapia Apam Dadaa
Mamenka bibi kakra fa makoma mu